Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a La Pavoni Euro Piccolo with us in the shop. And pretty much this Pavoni machine is the smaller variant of the Pavoni lineup. It doesn't have the gauge and or the bigger size boiler, but this is a post-millennium, so it is a bigger group head. And so yeah, pretty much I came in for a few things. One of the main things was it just needed an overall tune-up on the machine, which is where we replace all the gaskets that touch the boiler at all, because you could imagine all this is really just a boiler, and then all those gaskets are in constant heat of it. So usually Pavonis tend to need maintenance more often than traditional espresso machines, but they are really easy to maintain or easy to work on. And yeah, and so we replaced all the gaskets on the machine, including a new sight glass and little cover here and the gaskets that go in between it. We replaced the gaskets and re-lubricated the steam one. We replaced the gaskets on the group head, including the two piston gaskets, group head gasket, the gasket that holds this little plunger in place, or the piston in place, and then the gasket in the back. And yeah, the second thing about this machine that we fixed isn't related to the machine in a sense, but it is related to the portafilter. So the original portafilter was really on its last legs when it came to durability. As you can see, it looks like this now. This was just from one simple torque action of the thing, and it just popped right off. And this is the handle. And so what we did is we bought a new portafilter from Italy for the specific machine from Pavoni themselves. And yeah, and so we just replaced the portafilter with a brand new one. And so now we're going to test the machine by putting it in. And this gasket is nice and squishy and tough, so don't worry if it feels a little rough to put to the side. It's just a newer gasket, so the more you wedge it, the more you use it, it'll loosen up a bit. But since it's brand new, it will feel a little tough. But we're going to first start by brewing. Now for this machine, you're wanting to pull the lever all the way up. You're going to hear the water get into the chamber. Do a few seconds of that. I might have put a little too much coffee in here, but we'll see when we start pulling down. And usually when you're pulling down, you want even pressure. But yeah, shot's coming out really good actually. Now traditionally, the Pavonis use a double basket, which I believe is 14 to 16 grams, but the customer provided our hair portafilter with a single shot one, so it might look a little different, but that's perfectly fine. That is intentional from the portafilter to do that. But yeah, there goes your shot. Lastly, we're just going to test steam one. We're going to open the chamber right now. All the way, and not let it go. As you can see, great dry steam since it is a boiler, and the steam's pulling from the top and usually not the bottom, which is where most single boilers pull from. But yeah, and that's about it for the repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.